Now, for a little extra tip, when I get to the bottom, I want you to try this. What's up, guys? Jordan Nevels back with you. Today we're going to take a look at the tricep pushdown. Now, a lot of different variations you can do with the pushdown, a lot of different bar grips that'll hit the tricep at a little bit of different angle. Today I'm going to go with the straight bar here. Now, with my setup, I like to get right on the outside, which is going to put my elbow and my wrist right in alignment, okay? A lot of people like to come in or out. For this particular exercise, I'm gonna line it up just like so, right? Always starting from the ground up, soften the knees, which means just a little slight bend in the knees. A mistake I see a lot of people make. When they get into the position here, they'll let the shoulders roll forward here, right? So this is a tricep pushdown. We're trying to isolate the tricep and take everything else out and minimize help from the shoulders and the back, right? So once I set up here, roll the shoulder blades back and down, all right? Retract the shoulder blades, get in that position, lock the elbows at the side, chest up the whole time, and lock that position down. Now you're ready to rock and roll, right? Before you push it down, I want you to squeeze the triceps, which is gonna activate, then push and squeeze, all right? Let it up. How far do you come up? I come all the way up until my forearm touches my bicep at the top, okay? I'm locked in, squeeze the triceps, then push, drive, squeeze hard at the bottom, hard contraction. Let it up slow through the tricep. Forearm touches the bicep. Drive, drive, drive. Now, for a little extra tip, when I get to the bottom, I want you to try this. Push down. Now, look at the knuckles, where the knuckles are hand placed. Instead of here, once I get to the bottom, point the knuckles down. You're gonna feel that run deep up into the tricep in the long head. So watch this here. Turn them down, squeeze, let it up with the triceps. Squeeze, knuckles down. Contract, squeeze, knuckles down. One more rep. Contract, squeeze, turn the knuckles down. And that's how you do the tricep pushdown.